What's going on, YouTube? So for Christmas I wanted to get my son his first rifle, and we ended up going with the Savage Rascal. His favorite color is red, so obviously we took the red. Here's some features of the gun. It has this nice Accu trigger on it, very nice. The pull on it is very smooth. When you lift this up, it cocks the firing pin, and then you can load, you can pull it back and load your bullet. So it cocks the gun as you load the bullet and move the bolt. Normal front sight on it there. It's around 2.5 pounds. It has a peep sight on it, so you have to look through the circle and find your front sight. I think this was the best option for him. The only thing I would change is the peep sight. He had a little tough time with that, lining up the front sight, but once he got used to it, he was good. I'll show you a video of him doing his first range shooting. You gotta get that circle lined up with the front sight. So I'm gonna put a scope on this, and I'll show you what it looks like after I get the scope on. Take your time.
I hit it.
Light on it.
Got it.
Good. Nice.
I got it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I hit it. I hit it. I hit it.
Good job.
I got the other one. I got the other one.
Alright, so he went for his first shooting range session. He did very well, as you've seen in the video. Now we got the scope on. Right now I have the lens covers on. To take the bolt out, you just pull the trigger and it pops right out, and then to put it back in, you hold the trigger while you're putting it in. Right now I just have it off and out. Overall, we're both very happy with it. Until the next one.
Got it.
Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Okay, go ahead.
Found it.
Okay, go ahead.
Got it.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.